So what is the use of IAM, guys? Creating the users and creating the groups and rules and policies. So users attached to the policies and given the permissions, certain permission to the people. So that's the reason we are using the IAM. Okay. Yeah, installing the Terraform. So overview of installation process. Terraform installation is very simple. You have a single binary file and download it and use it. Right? Yeah. So we will use it. So we will use it that just download the Terraform and we can use it. But so we want to write this code, right? So where we can write this code, guys? Where? So we can write the code.
VS Code.
Yes, guys. VS Code. Just what we need to install. We need to install. So this is the Terraform, right? Through Terraform, we can build the infra. So we can build the infra. So for using this Terraform, we need to write the code, right, guys? For writing the code and running the commands. So we can run the commands. So we can use these softwares, guys. So what this is VS Code. So VS Code is nothing but a Visual Studio Code. So this software is provided by the Microsoft family. So this is the Git. So we can install the Git bash, guys. Bash is nothing but a Bourne shell for run the commands, for run the Terraform commands. So what are the Terraform commands? So we can run the Terraform commands either git bash or CMD also. CMD also we can run it, guys. So command prompt. So what is that? Command prompt CMD. Here also we can do the Terraform commands, guys. So what are the Terraform commands, guys? Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. So Terraform plan, Terraform init, Terraform init, guys. What are the commands? Terraform plan, Terraform destroy, Terraform apply, Terraform init. Guys, speak out, guys. This is the Terraform software download and use it. No need to install. So no need to install the Terraform. Yeah, guys. Our Terraform versions started from Terraform versions started from 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, then directly 1.0, 1.1, 1.00 point something, 1.2.0, 1.3.0, etc. etc. So the Terraform starts from 0.11. So which version of the Terraform we are using now?
One.
Yeah, registry. What is the documentation, guys? Registry.terraform.io. What is that? registry.terraform.io, the official documentation for the Terraform. So registry.terraform.io. Everyone can speak out, guys. What is the URL, documentation URL?
Registry dot.
Hmm? Tell me, guys. Registry.terraform.io. Then you can go to the browse providers. The broad providers, AWS, use providers. So Terraform version. Let's check, guys. Download terraform.io. What is that, guys? Terraform.io/downloads. Terraform.io downloads. Downloads. So what is the latest version, guys? Terraform 1.8.2. The latest version is, see guys, 1.0, 1.1.9, 1.2.9, 3.0. The latest version is 1.8.2, guys. What is the latest version? 1.2.
8.2.
Okay. Yeah, you can install the Terraform either Mac or Windows or Linux. So where we need to download, guys? We need to download for the 386 binary download AMD64 x86, right? 386. What is this 386? Or else you guys can download 64-bit, guys. Yeah. So Terraform is downloading. Yeah, Terraform is downloaded. You guys can extract this, right? Copy or extract to a specified folder. They also there. HP. Yeah, and the documents I downloaded, guys. I extract this in the so this is the Terraform, guys. So this is the Terraform, guys. What you guys can do, I will tell you one thing. First we need to control panel, your programs and features. I'm removing the Git, guys. Uninstall. Yes, uninstalling. Okay, VS Code, uninstall. Okay, guys. I installed the everything. So yeah, I downloaded the Terraform, but not installed, guys. You need to download the VS Code. Download VS Code, guys. For Windows, you guys use this Windows. So it is downloading. VS Code setup x64-bit setup is downloading, guys. The same like as a we can use it. Right? So go to the folders, go to the downloads, then double click. It automatically installs, guys. Accept the agree. Next, 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 install. In Windows, it is very easy to install any software, guys. It is easy to install every software. Yeah. So install the, for Git bash purpose, we need to install the Git. So we need to install the Git, guys. Git bash comes from the Git. Okay. So we need to install for the Windows 64 Windows bit. Yeah, it is downloading, guys. Yeah, I'm installing. Next, next. Yeah, next, 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 next. So Terraform we just downloaded. That is a binary file. So we don't need to install Terraform. So we need to install the VS Code and Git. Git is for, if you install the Git, it automatically Git bash came for running the Terraform commands. So we can run the Terraform commands via command prompt or a Git bash or a Git bash, guys. So these are the Linux commands, right? So it is very easy to run the commands on the Git bash. Git bash. So guys, understood? Yeah. So now we can, so wherever cmd or git bash, you say guys, git bash is coming. So this is a bash, guys. So it is very difficult to run the commands in the cmd. You did not understand. If you use the git bash or whatever the commands we are using in the Linux, the same commands you can use it in the git bash, guys. ls, right? cd documents, the documents where we extracted the Terraform. So this is the terraform.exe. So terraform dot terraform.exe hyphen version. Yes. So which version it is installed? Terraform 1.7.4 is installed. So 1.4.7 is installed. Your version of the Terraform is out of date. The latest version is 1.81. You can update by downloading the this one. No need, guys. So 1.74 is enough. 1.7.4 is enough, guys. So if you want to run the terraform.exe, terraform.exe, if you see, guys, so if you want to run the terraform commands, we need to set the environment variables. We need to set the environment variable. What we need to set, guys? So we need to set the environment variable. So why we need to set the environment variable for the Terraform? So you can run the Terraform command anywhere. You can run the command anywhere. You can run the Terraform command anywhere if you set the environment environment variables. If you set in the environment variables, so there are Terraform command, you can run Terraform command anywhere. So if you do not set if you do not set the path of the file, and so environment variable is nothing but we need to set the path of the binary file, where the binary file is located. So we can set the path of the file, set the path of the file. So if you set the path of the file, it will you can run the command anywhere, and you can use the terraform command. Terraform command. Otherwise, you can use the wherever that wherever the path is there, you can run the .txt .exe format. So .exe init, .exe plan, .txt run commands. Is understood? So we need to set the environment variables. So for that purpose, so we can copy that file. We can copy the Terraform file, and in the C Windows or program files. Yeah, Terraform 1.75 is already installed. That's the reason it is not showing. Yeah, you can copy the file in the program files. You can create a Terraform. You can create the folder like as a Terraform underscore 1.7.5, and you can copy the Terraform here. You can copy the Terraform binary, whatever the documents, right? In the binary Terraform, you can use it, and you can set the variables. How you can set the variables? Go to the environment. Go to the environment variables. This is the environment variables. So go to the path, and we need to for the system variables path. So we can set the path, edit. Yeah, you see guys. So this is right. Yeah, so we can set means new, or we can, I'm deleting this guys. I'm deleting it. Yeah, I'm setting a new guys. I'm setting the new path. So yeah, first we need to copy this path guys. Copy, click here and copy this path, and go to the environment variables and set the environment variables. Go to the path, system variables path, and edit the path. We need to add it, delete, and new, save, sorry, save it. So wherever binary file is located, your binary file is located in this location. So then okay, edit. Yeah, we already there, right? Okay, 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 right? You set the environment variable. So if you set the environment variable, wherever you are in the you are in the which directory? You are in the C users HP directory. You can run the Terraform. You see guys, just run the Terraform command. Just run the Terraform command. It will it will work guys. So it will work. So yeah, the available commands for the execution are listed below. The primary workflow commands are given first. The followed less commands are more advanced commands. So main commands. So what are the main commands, guys? I already told you, right, guys? So what are the main commands? So in it, prepare your working directory for the other commands. Terraform init, prepare your working directory for the other commands. Validate, check whether the configuration is valid or not. Plan, show changes required by the current configuration. Show changes required by the current configuration. Apply, create or update the infrastructure. Create or update the infrastructure. Destroy the previously created infrastructure. Destroy previously created infrastructure. Yes, understood? So guys, understood or not, guys? Yeah. So main commands, init commands, validate commands, plan, apply, destroy. So this is no need, guys. Validate. If you guys, you can use it. So just init, plan, apply, destroy. Init, plan, apply, destroy. Guys, now you understood. So prepare your working directory for the other commands. show changes required by the current configuration, create or update infrastructure, destroy previously created infrastructure. Previously created infrastructure. Yes, understood? Yeah. So, and yep. So we are good. So we are good to run the commands. Yeah. For this purpose, yeah. How you can authenticate with your the commands? How we can authenticate through the Terraform commands? How we can authenticate with the AWS CLI? AWS CLI. What these guys? Access key and secret key. Secret key. We need a access key and a secret key, right? So yeah, I already downloaded the yesterday. I already downloaded the access key and the secret key, right, guys? Guys, 1 second.
బ్రో మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు.
Yeah, sorry guys, office call. Yeah. So I already show you, right? The what is the official documentation for the Terraform, guys? The Terraform is acquired by IBM, guys. So before it is HashiCorp. So recently Terraform acquired by the IBM. Terraform acquired by IBM. Huh? Yeah. So within an acquisition of HashiCorp, IBM will consolidate ownership of the two most relevant open source IT automation tools, Red Hat Ansible and the HashiCorp, guys. So both Ansible and Terraform will be acquired by the IBM, guys. Guys, understood? With $6.4 billion. Hello, guys, are able to hear?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Terraform and Ansible acquired by the IBM, guys. Before it is HashiCorp, now it is IBM. So now it is IBM. Yeah, guys. The provider. So the provider. So something like we need to establish the connection between from Terraform AWS to AWS, right? So every Terraform releases their versions of the AWS, so Azure, whatever it may be. The versions will be here, that provider version. So AWS provider version is something like 5.48. The latest version is the provider equal to AWS. So this is the provider configuration, guys. This is the AWS provider configuration, and this is a provider and the yeah. So in the provider, what we need, guys, we need a access key, secret key. So guys. So we need a access key and a secret key. So before that, you guys can create a one folder for this Terraform. In the desktop, I am creating new folder AWS underscore Terraform code. I'm creating this folder for creating the Terraform files, guys. The VS Code. So open the VS Code. The VS Code. Yeah, this is our variables providers, right? Exit, close editor, close window na editor. File, close folder. Yes, guys. So file, you can open a file, open a folder. So in our folder, a desktop, in the desktop, what we created, guys? Terraform AWS. Yeah. So AWS Terraform code, guys. Select this folder. So you are in this folder. Then you can create a new file, guys. Or else you can create a new file. So new file. Select the file type or enter the file name. The file type is my first ec2.tf. The extension is Terraform, guys. The extension is a Terraform. Here you see, guys. So something like this is the folder, right? You guys can new file or a new folder. Just you can create the new file. My first ec2.tf. You see, guys. So once .tf is selected, it is selected the Terraform file. Now you understood this is the Terraform file. So provider, what is the provider? The provider equal to AWS, region equal to US East 1. What is that, guys? US East 1. The region equal to US East 1. Access key and secret key. Yeah, you have an access key and secret key. Then you can choose the resources. You can choose the resources block, guys. The resources block EC2 Elastic Compute Load in the resources block. What is the resources? AWS underscore instance. If you want to create it, so you can use the AWS underscore instance. Yeah. So for example, this is the code, guys. You guys can download this code and paste it here. Resources equal to AWS underscore web AMI. We need to select the AMI and the instance type is T2 micro. What is that, guys? T2 micro and the AMI. You need to select the AMI and tag equal to hello world. For example, if you give the tag or not, it is a optional, guys. It is the optional. Sign into the AWS console. Login as a root user. Sign in. So where in which region in which region you want to launch the EC2 instances? North Virginia. US East 1. US East 1. Go to the EC2 instances. Which AMI? Which AMI you want to launch, guys? Which AMI you want to launch? Browse AMIs. So you want to launch a Amazon Linux 2, for example. So what is the unique ID of the AMI, guys? This is the unique ID of the AMI. So yeah. So T2 micro instance type is T2 micro tags. If you provide the tags or not, no need, guys. Yeah. So provider equal to AWS region US East 1 access key and secret key. This part is for connecting the AWS and region is equal to US East 1. This part is for launching the resource called as a AWS instance. If you want to launch a AWS instance, we can use this resource. Guys, understood? So we need to provide the access key and the secret key here. We already created the access key and secret key. So this is the access key. Sorry, guys. So this is the access key. Yeah, let's paste it the access key, then secret key. What is that, guys? Secret key. We already created yesterday, right? You know, right, guys? So this is the secret key. Yeah. So what is that? A provider equal to AWS. So region equal to US East 1. Access key, secret key. A resource is equal to AWS underscore instance web. The name call it as a web. The AMI equal to so this is the AMI Amazon Linux 2 and instance type equal to T2 micro. T2 micro. Then you can save this. Then you can save it. Yeah. So then you can go to the folder and check it. Desktop. AWS Terraform DevStack. No. AWS Terraform code. Yes. My first ec2.tf is created. Yeah. Now you want to run the commands. You can run the commands either git bash. So where that is cd ls cd desktop and go to, so what is the folder? So AWS underscore Terraform. AWS underscore Terraform. Terraform code. Terraform code, guys. Yeah. So this is my first ec2.tf. You can run the Terraform commands here. So I will show you here. Terraform init. So init is nothing but initialization. So you can run this command of one time. You can run this command for one time, initializing the, you see, guys. So in the folder aws.terraform.code folder, just only my first ec2.tf is there. If you run the Terraform init, it will be initializing and authenticating the AWS. You see, guys, Terraform init. So initializing the backend, initializing the provider plugin. What is the provider plugin, guys? AWS, and the version is 5.48. So it is initializing. So it is initializing. You guys can see. So Terraform folder is created for providers HashiCorp, AWS 5.40, Windows 38. So this is installed. This is installed while running the Terraform init. Terraform init. Still it is initializing. Still it is initializing. You can run the yeah, you see guys. This is the so if you want to run, you can run off from here also. So open in integrated terminal. You see guys. This is a CMD, a PowerShell. If you want a bash, you can use the git bash here. You can use the git bash here. Terraform com, it's already directly it will go to that folder. Then Terraform init. Yeah. So Terraform has been successfully initialized. You can try it here also. Terraform init. You see here also Terraform successfully initialized. So you can run the command next Terraform plan. Terraform plan. So North Virginia region, EC2 instances, instances. So instances, all are stopped instances. Let's check. Let's run the Terraform plan. So Terraform plan is only showing the. So Terraform, what is the Terraform plan, guys? Read it. So plan is shows the changes required by the current configuration. So you need prepare your working directory for the other commands. Prepare your working directory for the other commands. So yeah. So here you see guys. Plan. What is that, guys? Everyone can read it. Plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Guys, plan. Yeah. So plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Plan is 1 to add. So which one is adding? So which one is adding? Hi guys, you see. So if you run the Terraform plan, Terraform use it to select the providers to generate the following execution. Plan resources of action indicated which the following symbols. Plus is nothing but a create, add, create. So destroy and change. Terraform will perform the following actions. AWS underscore instance dot web will be created. So what is that? So this is the resource name and this is the instance name. So local instance name will be created. So what are the we provided the AMI? All are so these are we need to provide these everything, but these all are the optionals. ARN associated public IP address, availability zones, core CPU, everything, EBS volumes, everything will be so everything will be optional. So instance type also T2 micro. So these all are the optionals. So we need to, so it will take the by default. If you are not providing any information, it will take a by default. So plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to change. So, so this is the Terraform plan. So Terraform plan just shows the, so shows the what we will gonna to apply. So Terraform apply, Terraform apply. Yeah, so Terraform apply also. Terraform apply means so the same. It will be created instances. We are providing plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to test time. Do you want to perform these actions? Do you want to perform these actions? Terraform will perform these the actions desired above. Only yes will be accepted to approve. So for plan for apply for plan it will not asking the yes or no, but apply it will ask it yes or no because of it will update the changes, it will create the changes on the AWS. It will AWS, that's the reason it is asking you want to proceed it or not. You want to proceed it or not? Yes, I want to proceed. So instance is launching, guys. What it is? So instance is launching. Refresh it, guys. You see, guys, a new instance is created. A new instance is created. You see, one new instance is creating. You see, guys, so one new instance is created, initializing. Did you create it via a console or did you create it via Terraform? Guys, you created via Terraform or you created via console? Via Terraform, right? So you're able to create the instance, right? Yeah, you see. So AWS underscore instance web creating, still creating, creating, creation complete after 36 seconds. ID is so 9BE. What is that, guys? 9BE. Yeah, this is just now created. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So here you see after creation of the Terraform that AWS you see guys, Terraform state is created. What is that, guys? Terraform dot tf state. So what is the state? So what is created? What is created, guys? So something like you see, guys, availability zone 1 is to B and the AMI. This is the AMI we took ARN and the core CPU, the core CPU, EBS device, EBS volume, EBS a volume, instance type T2 micro IDs. This is 9BE, 9BE. Yeah. So network ID. So private IP address, private IP, public IP, everything will be write down in the Terraform state file. Terraform state file. You see, guys, volumes created 8 GB volume GP2 throughput volume ID. This is XA. So VPCs, private VPCs, everything will be created and write it under the Terraform state. So Terraform state is nothing but a Terraform.tf state is nothing but a. So it will write the whatever we applied through the Terraform apply. So if you use it, if something goes wrong on the something like, so it is something goes wrong on the this AWS, it is deleted. So you can create a same, you can create the same if you use the Terraform state, guys. You can create the same if you use the Terraform state. Terraform state. Guys, now you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it easy or difficult, guys? Terraform. Easy? Just take the providers, whatever the providers, Azure, GCP. So you can same take the providers, something like HashiCorp, right? So we are using the AWS, the same like as a other Azure. So documentation, use providers. This is the providers for the Azure RM, Azure RM. Provider equal to Azure RM. Instance is nothing but a VM, I think here. So resource equal to Azure RM. So for example, you can use the template name and so template deployment. So this is the body. You guys same. You can use the same like as a Azure. You can use the Azure, or else you can use the GCP, Google Cloud Platform. The use providers. This is the a provider. So provider equal to Google source and version. For AWS, we can use the provider equal to AWS. For Azure, we can use the Azure RM. For Google GCP, we can use the Google. So we can use the Google and Oracle. So Oracle purpose, we can use the use providers. The provider equal to OCI. What is that provider, guys? OCI. OCI. Yes, understood? The documentation you guys can. So we can use the resource stack for the uh, OS or something like a VM. We can use the VM identity file DevOps. What is DevOps, guys? Build a pipeline. We can use the build pipeline for the OCA also. The same like as a other resources, guys. Guys, understood? Is it easy or not, guys? So very easy, guys. It just use the documentation and get the all the details. You guys first, you guys can create the access key, secret key, and use the provider block and use the resource block. So you want another EC2 instance. How you can get it, guys? The same like as a yeah. So EC2 instances, the name equal to web1. So and save this file, save. Next Terraform. So Terraform. Here I need to write the Terraform plan because of so we already run the Terraform init, right? It's so one time is enough for running the Terraform init for first time. Yeah, guys. Plan one to add. What is that? Web1. So Web1 is created. Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Yeah, you need to add this one. Yes. You see, guys, other one is pending. It is trying to create it. It is trying to create it, the Web1. So this is the tags, guys. While creating the tag, it will add it. It will add it. See, guys, 30 seconds elapsed. Still, it is creating. Yeah. Supply complete. Resources one added. Zero changes. Zero destroyed. So I don't want these guys. I want to destroy these ones. Terraform destroy. Yeah, see, guys. It will be destroying, guys. The Terraform user to select the provider to generate the following execution plan resource action to indicate with the following symbols. So red minus is nothing but a destroy. So red minus is nothing but a destroy, guys. Everywhere you guys can see. So 1 equal to false, null, id equal to null, running t2 micro equal to everything will be null, guys. Everything will be null while destroying the plan. Yes, I want to destroy. Yes. Yes. You see, guys. You see, shutdowning it, shutdowning it, shutdowning it. After that, terminate it. After termination. So you see, guys, here plan 0 to add, 0 to change, but 2 to destroy. So before plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Right? Still it is terminating, shutdowning, then terminate. Yeah, one is terminated. The second one I'm is trying to terminate. Yes, resources to destroyed. Guys, understood? So both are terminated. Both are terminated. Yeah. So when you run the Terraform destroy, it will destroy everything, right? It will destroy everything. I don't want to destroy everything. I want to destroy only one EC2 instance. One EC2 instance or one resource. One resource. How we can do it, guys? This is our task, guys. So this is our task, guys. So task one. So destroy only one EC2 instance or a one resource. How we can do it, guys? So once you run the Terraform destroy, it will destroy everything. It will destroy everything in the stack. For example, destroy everything. I don't want to destroy everything. Just I want to delete the EC2 instance or terminate the EC2 instance of a web one. How we can do it? So this is the task for you guys. Understood? Guys, understood? Is Terraform is easy or not, guys? Guys, Terraform is easy or not?
Easy.
Okay, guys. You guys can practice. I will upload this recording.